Welcome to our AVKO tutorial for our ECOTE WSF Primer, designed for interior use on MDF and a range of wood substrates. Our primer is a water-based product. It is a high build product that acts as a protection layer for later coats. To prepare the substrate, sand down the edges of the surface with 180 sandpaper. If you're using an orbital sander, make sure not to be too rough so as to avoid burning the resin. After sanding, clean the surface with a damp cloth to remove unwanted dust and debris. Once finished, allow to completely dry. Upon opening the can, be sure to give the primer a good stir before applying. There are two options when applying this product. You can either use a spray gun or a brush. Due to the thickness of the primer, for spray gun application, we recommend using a 1.8 to 2.0 fluid tip and 2 bar pressure. Spray the MDF or your chosen wood substrate as demonstrated in the video. Flat surfaces should only require a single coat of the primer. For open edges, 2 or 3 coats may be required. Alternatively, the primer can also be applied with a brush. For this method, apply the product over the surface as shown in the video. Do not worry about achieving a flat finish straight away. This will come later when applying the top coat. Leave your first coat to completely dry. In most cases, this product will be suitable for recoating in around 10 minutes if sprayed and 15 minutes if applied with a brush. But this is dependent on room temperature and the thickness of your first coat. It's important the paint is fully dry before applying your second coat so as to ensure the very best result. Once the surface is dry, apply the second and or third coat as shown in the previous steps. Regardless of your chosen application method, once all coats have been applied, the primer can take up to an hour to fully dry. Once fully dry, and before applying your chosen top coat, sand down the surface with 320 sandpaper, as demonstrated in the video. For this tutorial, we've finished with a spray application. For general inquiries and technical support on any of our product ranges, or to set up your purchasing account, please contact our sales team on 023 80 455 855, or alternatively via email, contact sales@avko.co.uk.